Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Algorand truly is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.27% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. ALGO sort of has a fundamentally complete market cap of $1,102,166,982 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,899,923, which essentially is genuinely critical. This especially makes Algorand truly positioning at 42 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand really be somewhat worth in 2023? Is Algorand a sort of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will ALGO cost generally outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is very huge? These especially are our Algorand cost expectations for LGO's future, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ALGO cost explicitly is supposed to basically cross a truly normal value level of 19 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 18 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, ALGO can truly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Algorand cost for the most part is estimate to especially arrive at an actually the least cost of 14 cents, showing that assuming you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand explicitly be certainly worth in 2023? By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ALGO cost could basically arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of 16 cents with the truly normal expected cost around 15 cents, which really is genuinely huge. ALGO value figure July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Algorand sort of is supposed to generally arrive at a very least value worth of 15 cents in an all things considered, enormous way. The ALGO cost could essentially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 17 cents with the kind of typical cost around 16 cents. Showing how Algo value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Algorand really is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of 15 cents in a very enormous manner. Algorand value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Algorand by and large is for the most part anticipated to truly arrive at a really normal cost of 16 cents while the coin could exchange between a limit of 17 cents and a truly least of 16 cents. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to really be at around at least 16 cents in a kind of large manner. Algorand cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely limit of 18 cents with the typical cost of 17 cents in USD. So Algorand value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ALGO cost generally is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of 19 cents. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be 18 cents in a kind of significant manner. Algorand value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Algorand explicitly is in every practical sense anticipated to for the most part arrive at an especially normal cost of 17 cents while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 19 cents and an especially least of 17 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand especially is generally anticipated to for the most part reach at a sort of least worth of 17 cents in November 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The ALGO cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme worth of 20 cents with the essentially normal exchanging worth of 18 cents all through 2023. Showing how Algorand value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Algorand value sort of is conjecture to in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered least cost of 14 cents, exhibiting that assuming you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023. What will Algorand in every practical sense be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which is genuinely huge. Algorand value gauge December 2023. The Algorand cost for December 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a very least worth of 18 cents while the truly greatest estimated cost especially is around 20 cents. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The sort of typical cost for a LGO truly is especially anticipated to truly reach 19 cents in December 2023 in a genuinely significant way. Algorand truly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been truly diminished by 0.7% in its fundamentally current worth. So besides Algo can in a real sense arrive at a very greatest value level of 20 cents, which truly is very huge. On the off chance that we truly look at the truly current market cap of the Algo with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, which especially shows that starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Algorand truly is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.27% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Algo for the most part was in excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 1.74% in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Algorand in a real sense has shown exceptionally serious areas of strength for lovely of potential of late. And this could be genuinely great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo truly diminished by 35.410%, dispensing with an astounding pretty typical amount of 8 cents from its genuinely current worth in a very significant manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be an excellent explicitly purchase a potential open door for most certainly speedy speculation, which by and large is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 37.76%. And the cost generally flowed from a fundamentally least genuinely normal cost of 23 cents to exceptionally most extreme genuinely normal cost of 25 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days, which by and large shows that this unexpected down implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent sort of purchase an open door for in every way that really matters, fast interest in an unobtrusive way. Algorand certainly is somewhere near 18.66% with the in every practical sense greatest sort of normal cost of the coin truly was around 17 cents and the very least truly normal cost of truly was around 16 cents in truly beyond 4 months, which generally is very critical. Algorand Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will all things considered be Algorand most certainly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Algo cost by and large is estimated to explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 20 cents with genuinely least cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand essentially is certainly anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of 17 cents in November 2023, which fundamentally is very critical. Does Algorand have a future, which really is genuinely huge? As far as value, Algorand for the most part has a remarkable certainly potential to basically arrive at new levels, which generally is genuinely critical. It especially is estimate that Algo will increment in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Algorand can commonly raise a ruckus around town much the most exorbitant cost of $6.10 till 2030, showing how Algorand value expectation 2023 is per the